minute.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you a dope.
Yeah, who is this? He look too young to win. I ain't never seen. He know what he doing, y'all. Hey, you on my YouTube channel? Okay, I'm gonna have a record. Look out racing. Yeah, hell yeah, you got that. Let's see. He got that intake, y'all. It still smell new in there. Check engine light on though. Oh yeah, I like this truck right here though. I gotta go with him. Plus he got a lookout racing. Bet 20. How much? Hey, right here. Right here, man. I'm trying to bet you. Hey, who want? Where you at? Damn, I done been style, y'all. Fuck. Let me try to catch. Hey, where y'all at? Damn, y'all. Old boy over there do got that F-150 clean up, though, boy. He got that rammer hood on there. B-locks all the way around. He just spent some money. Did not see nobody pointing. I would have gave odds on this. Oh, left lane for the win. Damn. Well, that truck on the left lane was rolling. I mean, right lane rolling, though. I thought he won. Damn. Damn, this side won, y'all. He held him off. There go Funkytown, y'all. Yeah.
He had me. Hey,
What?
I thought he had it. I thought he had it. It looked like he still was there.
Yeah, that's what it looked like to me.
Look that he had it. 707 over.
Yeah.
He looked like he was the head.
Yeah.
He looked like he had him by a truck.
Damn sure did, man.
Truck.
And then they turned the light on over here.
Light came.
Damn sure looked like he had it, man.
I'm gonna go ahead.
It looked like he
Yeah.
had
It
it.
looked like he was the head.
What do you think?
It looked like he was ahead.
It was a setup.
Yeah, hell yeah. It looked like he had it. I'm like, fucking time. Boom. Shit.
Damn.
Hey, look out. He looked like he was the head.
Damn sure did the whole
It did
fucking
look
time.
He was the
So
head.
how they cut the light on this one over here?
I'm
don't know.
gonna go ahead.
You gonna go ahead?
Hell
He
yeah.
looked like he was the head.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we need to go over here and see.
Goddamn. Here come nasty.
Don't tell me Funkytown wasn't gonna bet with Funkytown.
Nah, he ain't both Funkytown.
Oh, funky, motherfucker.
Look.
He looked like he still was the head. I'm gonna go ahead. He looked like he was the
The
head.
whole time.
He looked like he was the fucking head.
Hey, that's okay. In that shit, cause here come nasty boy finna show the fuck out now.
Okay. Pushing that bitch to the floor.
Hey, I'm gonna show you a dope feed here in just a minute.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you a dope feed.
I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know what's wrong with that dope. Damn.
Go ahead.
I just put. For all the rest of my people that's on TikTok, want to see it in HD. Widescreen. Lookout Racing on YouTube. That bitch start getting it.
Hey, that big feed off that dope, boy.
Yeah. That's that dope.
That big feed off that dope.
Let it eat. Anybody can get it. Well, he crunk out here tonight. Somebody get him. Hey, you know her right there? You know her?
Yeah, look at
That's Tess. Yeah. Hold on, let me get this car. Oh, you talking about? Oh yeah, I'm there with him. That's my boy. That's Derek Kelly, man. Let me put my fingerprints on there too, y'all. All right, y'all. We trying to get this leak done. We don't want the track officials to see them, so we don't want. We got a little leak that we can't just fix just right off the top, but we could try to make a pass. It ain't that bad. You know, it ain't really nothing major, but it's something that we just can't fix right now. Tess, you had one of them lookouts yet? Up there at the drink, at the concession stand?
What?
You know I got a drink made by me, right?
No.
It's called the Lookout.
What?
Yeah,
What
you
is
go
it?
up there, they mix the red with the green, and then they put a shot of Hennessy in it. Everybody been buying it.
Really?
Yeah, you gotta get you one.
Hey, I'm a lightweight.
I'm gonna tell you.
I'm a lightweight.
Yeah, this one here gonna get you ready right here.
I had one margarita and one shot last night, and I was done.
Okay, yeah, this one this'll dim your light a little bit. Tell me you want to look out at the end of the night. Get you one lookout and sip on it. You probably ain't gonna finish it. Probably playing around. It's probably one of them ones. Don't be finishing your drink. Oh, it was too strong. I felt it. It was nice. We had the rub. Uh-oh. We go. Oh, it didn't cut off. It didn't cut off.
I got there.
Yeah. You can work with that?
Work with it.
Yeah.
I be done dying in that motherfucker like goddamn Kevin Samuels. I'm powered up on a bitch.
Oh, okay, you got the perfect tune then. You gonna put that tune on.
Tune up. So they be like, turn it up. You gonna turn it up?
Yeah, you know how to check them plugs. Oh man, they going up against Derek Kelly. Ooh. Dang, let me see.
I got 500 already. I got 500.
Hey, now you wanna get this motherfucker?
No. Brandon. Fuck Sal. Brandon.
I'm broke.
Where you been at?
I'm a roofer.
Okay, right here. Man, y'all. Yeah, I told y'all this is my favorite car over here, y'all. Derek Kelly. Boy, he don't play no game. This is a good race. Boy, this is my favorite car. Hold on.
He ain't left, right?
Golly. I should have stayed over there, y'all. Golly, he's steady inching up. I'm gonna miss it. Oh, he got that gas that you can't see. That's how you know he finna fly, y'all. He finna fly. Uh-oh. Damn. I guess that was a good race, y'all. Uh-oh, let me see what Jeremiah got to say. Jeremiah, what happened?
Derek Kelly, man.
I ain't gonna stay around, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
His name is Derek Kelly. That's our new champ right there.
yeah.